Tom, why is there a refrigerator-sized box in our hallway?
It is not a refrigerator. It is a robot vacuum.
That box is way too big for a vacuum.
There is also a robot mop inside.
Also?
And a self-cleaning litter box for the cat.
We do not have a cat.
Not yet.
How much did all of this cost?
Think of it as investing in our free time.
How much, Tom?
$1,100.
$1,100 for things that clean floors?
They clean everything automatically.
I clean the floors in 20 minutes.
But now you do not have to.
I did not mind cleaning.
You complained about mopping last Saturday.
Complaining is not the same as wanting a robot.
The future is here, Sarah.
The future is expensive.
Give them 1 week. If you hate them, we return them.
Where have I heard that before?
This time is different. Trust me.
Tom, what is that buzzing sound?
My new robot vacuum. It is mapping the house.
Why is it going in circles?
It is learning the room layout.
It just hit the wall 3 times.
The sensors need to calibrate.
Now it is stuck under the dining chair.
Hold on, let me lift the chair.
It is headed straight for the dog's water bowl.
No.
Water everywhere. The dog is running.
The robot is waterproof, I think.
It stopped moving.
It is probably rebooting.
Or drowning.
Robots cannot drown.
This one might disagree.
Let me check the manual.
Maybe your wife was right about the 20-minute mop.
She is never right about that. Don't tell her I said that.
Your secret is safe, unlike your robot.
I just need to adjust the boundary sensors.
Good luck with that. I am going home before it attacks my house too.
Wait, the floors are actually clean?
The robot cleaned them while we were at work.
Both the hardwood and the tile?
The vacuum did the hardwood. The mop did the tile.
When did they run?
I scheduled them for 10 a.m. every day.
So they clean while nobody is home?
Exactly. Completely hands-free.
I don't see any streaks on the tile.
The mop uses a special cleaning pad.
Okay, I have to admit this is impressive.
The robot even emptied its own dustbin.
It empties itself?
Into a bigger bin on the charging station.
How often do you empty the big bin?
Once a month.
Once a month? I empty the vacuum bag every week.
Not anymore.
This does save a lot of time.
About 3 hours a week.
3 hours I could spend doing other things.
Like yoga or ice baths.
Do not push your luck.
Fair enough.
Tom, something is moving in the living room.
What? Where?
I hear buzzing and thumping.
Oh no, the robot.
It is 3 a.m. Why is it running?
The schedule must have glitched.
It is hitting the couch over and over.
It is stuck in a loop.
The dog is barking at it.
The dog thinks it is an intruder.
Our dog is trying to protect us from a vacuum.
Let me turn it off.
Where is the button?
On the top if I can catch it.
It is running away from you.
Got it.
This is the sleep tape incident all over again.
The sleep tape never ran around the house at 3 a.m.
No, but you did.
I will fix the schedule tomorrow.
You said that about the smart home lights.
I fixed those eventually.
After 3 weeks.
Technology takes patience.
My patience ran out at 3 a.m. Tom, did you order groceries?
The AI did. It learns our buying patterns.
Then why did it order 8 pounds of bananas?
You bought bananas 3 weeks in a row.
I bought 1 bunch each time.
The AI thought we needed more.
There are also 4 gallons of milk.
The algorithm predicted our consumption.
We drink 1 gallon a week, not 4.
It probably factored in the oat milk phase.
We stopped drinking oat milk months ago.
The AI does not know that.
Then the AI is dumb.
Artificial intelligence takes time to learn.
Right now, it has artificial stupidity.
I will adjust the settings.
And the total?
$237.
For milk and bananas?
And some other things it thought we needed.
Like what?
Cat food.
We still do not have a cat.
I will cancel the auto order right now.
You do that. I will eat banana number 1 of 8 pounds.
What happened to this vacuum?
It went rogue at 3 a.m.
Rogue?
The schedule glitched. It ran into everything.
The left wheel motor is burned out.
Can you fix it?
Parts and labor are about $85.
How much was the robot new?
These go for about $400.
So the repair is 20% of the cost?
Robot vacuums break more often than people think.
Really?
Sensors wear out, brushes need replacing every 3 months.
My broom never needed a repair.
Your broom does not map your house.
Fair point. How long for the repair?
3 to 5 business days.
So I have to mop by hand for 5 days?
Like the old days.
The horror.
I see this a lot. People forget how to clean without robots.
I have not forgotten. I just do not want to.
That is the real AI takeover.
Very philosophical for a repair shop. Okay, the robot is back. We need ground rules.
Ground rules for a vacuum?
Rule 1. It only runs between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m.
No more 3 a.m. incidents.
Rule 2. We still do a deep clean every Saturday.
By hand?
By hand, the robot misses corners and edges.
I noticed that too.
Rule 3. No more AI grocery orders.
But the AI was learning.
It ordered cat food for a cat we do not have.
Point taken.
Rule 4. No more surprise purchases over $50.
That seems low.
100.
200?
150. Final offer.
Deal.
The robot can stay. The mop can stay.
Thank you. You will not regret it.
I already regret the 8 pounds of bananas,
We made banana bread, 4 loaves.
which we gave to the entire neighborhood.
Community baking, very wholesome. Sarah, look at this.
Is Buddy riding the robot vacuum?
He has been sitting on it for 10 minutes.
He looks so happy.
The robot is carrying him around the living room.
Our dog thinks it is a taxi.
The robot does not seem to mind.
The sensors are going crazy trying to figure out the weight.
But it is still cleaning.
A dog riding a vacuum. This is our life now.
I should record this.
For what?
Social media, this could go viral.
Our dog riding a vacuum? Viral?
Dogs and robots get millions of views.
Focus on real life, Tom.
You are right. This is better than any video.
I have to admit, the robots have grown on me.
I knew they would.
The floors are always clean. The dog is entertained.
And I have more time for important things.
Like what?
Like watching the dog ride the vacuum.
That is not important.
It is the most important thing I have seen all week.